Hello guys and welcome to Excel Made Cool by Rolly. Uh, Today I'm going to start with a very basic display of Excel just to show you how to do the conditional formatting. We'll start with conditional formatting. Uh, I don't want to go too basic with Excel because I assume that most people getting into Excel already know some the most basic parts of Excel. Meanwhile, if you don't have that much ideas about Excel, you can just put your comments below of what you need of Excel about Excel, and I can give you a link with the details that will help you. Okay, here we have an Excel sheet that has the list of students in a class and their scores. That's from Greg, Will, Frank, Patrick, Joyce, Leonard, and so on and so forth, right up to Jasim. And we are going to be distinguishing, we'll do a conditional format to see the past scores. As we see here, I keep here as this legend. On this legend, you see people will have this color, field color, the cell field color for the people below 10, and this people equal to 10, that's an average mark. Then between 11 and 15 you will have this color, and above 15 you will have this color. I know some people will be asking between 10 and 11 you can always have 10.5 or 10.25. Yes, that will be explained in further lessons, but for today we'll go this way. We'll do this in the basic way. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you need to highlight the cell that you will do your conditional formatting there. I know there are so many cells here, but you have to start with one that you can do your conditional formatting. After that, you can paste, you can copy and paste the format in all the other cells. Let's start with this cell, cell C3, cell C3. Okay, uh, here we have this as conditional formatting. Then we are going to start rules. We'll start a new rule. Format only cells that contain, and the first value we want to talk of is below 10, that is less than 10, less than 10. What's the font color that we need? The field color, actually field color that we need, it's amber. So let's use this, and okay, then okay again. As easy as that. Okay, let's try. For instance, here Greg scored 15. Let's see if we have Greg, if we give Greg a score 1, what will it look like? Automatically you see his cell changes and moving. Let's go back to 15 for Greg. In the same cell, we'll still manage our rules. You create new rules. Again, format cells that contain, equal to. Now we are using an equal sign, equal to 10. What's the format? We have blue color for people with average score. Okay. And when you do this, since you are managing the score, you're managing the format, the conditional format, it will ask you to apply or maybe okay. Either of those is fine, but you still have more conditions, more formats to set. So let's add new rules. Here is between 11, from 11 to 15. So yes, this format will use between, 11 and 15. So any score between from 11 to 15 will have to display this light green. I don't think that's the color. I think, yeah, this one. Okay, you already added that format. As you see, we are moving gradually. Now let's go to the last one. The same rule applies, but now we are talking about above. So let's see, greater than. Values greater than 15. Scores greater than 15. So when you set the scores greater than 15, we have this green. Okay, okay. Now we apply. When we apply, we've applied all the conditional formats. We've had 4 rules, and all the rules now apply for all the cells, for the single cell that we've highlighted. Then we click on OK. When you see we click on OK, here this has changed. Now the next question is, how are we going to do this for all the cells? Repeating this in one cells and 1 to 2 cells and all the cells is quite tedious work, but there is an easy way from Excel. Just copy this cell, highlight the cells that you want them to follow this same format, right click, paste spatial. When you go to paste spatial, what we're doing, we're formatting. So you select format, then exit. As you see, all the cells now follow the same pattern. They follow the same conditional pattern, the formatting pattern that we've already highlighted in the key and the legend as seen here. So you can see how many people had the lower scores and how many people had greater scores. And this is amazing because from here you will know which people had all the subjects, which people fail how many subjects, just simply by looking at the table. In future lessons, I'm going to show you how we can use these same values, this same table, how we can use this to do some further calculations. Today we just did the formatting, and this is just basic formatting. We can do more complex conditional formatting with time. But for the meantime, and on this Excel sheet, this is what I had to show you today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. And if you did learn something, just hit a thumbs up and click on subscribe button, ring the bell, and you will be receiving more lessons about Excel from Rolly. And to close it up, even you feel there is anything we need to add, or you have any comment, you can as well teach me and put your comments, and I will get back to them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.